Good morning, students. Today I will explain some word problems related to the properties of triangles by some example. Here example number 1. In triangle ABCs are the given in which one angle measure is 35 degree, that name is angle A, and second angle measure is 65 degree, that name is angle B. Find the measure of angle C. So how can we find the measure of the angle C? As we know that as we know that the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, what is the sum of the each angle? Sum of the all three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so now here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A measure is 35 plus angle B measure is 65, and we find out the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. So we find out the sum of angle A and B. So what is the sum of angle A and B? 35 plus 65. So their sum is 100 degree plus angle C is equal to 180. So 100 will be transferred to the right side of the equal sign. When we transfer the any term, so that sign will change. So 1 is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to angle C is equal to 180 minus 100, we get 80 degree. Okay, so we find out the measure of the angle C. Thank you. And now another example we let it to find out the how can find the measure of the angles when given in the ratio form. So here example number 2, find the angle of triangle which are in the ratio form. Not any measure are the given of the angle. So in this type of question, when the measure of the angles are given in ratio, so first we let it the measure of the angle. So let the measure of given angles of triangle. Okay, so then the ratio is given 3 by 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. So let the measure of the angles 3x, 4x and 5x. Okay, so we let it the measure of the angle, and as we know that the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. So here these terms are the like, so their numerical value will add 3 plus 4 plus 5. So sum is 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12, x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now then we find out the x value. So x is equal to 180 upon 12. Here the not a sign is plus or minus. So 180 divided by 12. So x is equal to 180 180 when we divided by 12, we get 15. Okay, and now we find out the measure of the angles. So measure of angles, so 3x, now 3x is equal to 3 multiply 15 is equal to 45 degree. Then 4x is equal to 4 multiply 15, we get 60 degree. Then 5x is equal to 5 multiply 15 is equal to 75 degree. The measure of the angles of the triangle, hence the measure of angles of triangle is 45 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree. Okay. Now another example to find out the measure of the angles of the triangle. The next example is example number 3. One of the acute angle of right triangle is 30 degree. Find the other acute angle. In right angle triangle, last day we write down you write the notes. In that notes, one point you write it. In right angle triangle, the sum of the two acute angle is always 90 degree. The one acute angle is the given 30 degree. Find out the other acute angle, and triangle is right angle triangle. So as you know that the sum of acute angles in right triangle is always 90 degree. Okay, so here one acute angle measure is given, so then find out the other acute angle. So let the measure of other acute angle, let the measure of the other acute angle will be y degree. So one acute angle 30 degree plus y degree is equal to 90 degree. So we find out the y. So y is equal to 90 minus 30. Okay, then y is equal to 90 minus 30, we get 60 degree. So hence the measure of other acute angle is 60 degree. Okay, thank you.